Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This video is sponsored by ULTIMA Markets. ULTIMA Markets is a multi-licensed and award-winning broker. The platform delivers very fast executions, so scalping strategies works exactly when needed. You can use MT4 and MT5, the most trusted forex tool for traders, and a special offer for KG trading subscribers. There's a 50% plus 20% deposit bonus up to $20,000. Start trading with ULTIMA Markets using the link in the description below. This is the daily for Nasdaq and SPX. We're gonna see what's gonna happen and what it might happen today. As a reminder for Nasdaq, what we are looking at here is a big wave 1-2 here, where we have one ABC running flat for a wave 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5. Still looking for a wave 5 to be finished as a 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're looking potentially for a wave 5 to be finished in this area over there. Now, basically, in this wave 5, you are looking here at two possibilities. Whether you are looking for an impulse here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or you are looking simply for an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So we're gonna keep also the ending diagonal symbol here over there, just to remind you that you might be in this scenario. So basically, if we are impulsive here, you have potentially a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finished wave 1. Sorry, you have to call it an impulse. Wave 4 is not interfering here. The leading diagonal is over there. But in case that this is an ABC, yes, can be a 1, 2, and then moving toward the upside. So wave 1, ABC, wave 2, and then continuation for higher. In case we are impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, you finish wave 1, wave 2 is ABC as well, and you're looking for higher prices. Now, if we are continuing here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, you don't have invalidation of bullish taken here for the wave 4, and you're still finishing potentially here in an ending diagonal for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that means if we are here going into kind of like an impulse, you would like to see here at least 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, unfolding. This is still, of course, playing as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your major wave 3, that it might unfold as 4, 5 later on. So currently what I'm looking for is to finish at least on the lower time frame here, at least this wave 5. This wave 5 has to be finished, of course, as an ending diagonal. And obviously, ending diagonal because your wave 4 interfere with the zone 1 as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Great, so that's it for Nasdaq. Watch, of course, the invalidation of bullish in case, of course, the price drive downward and hit, of course, this price, meaning, of course, invalidation of bullish. We're looking for something lower. If we move for SPX 500 here, at SPX 500, we are looking again at a 1 ABC wave 2. We are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 3. Still looking for a wave 4. But obviously, that we're not done yet here for SPX. And of course, we might be extending our wave 5 here to there. Meaning, all this wave 5 here is still unfolding toward the upside as, of course, wave 3, main wave 3. So rather than finishing here your wave 5, you have, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 still unfolding as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. Now, if we dive inside this move toward the upside here, where you're looking for this wave 5, you have a 1, 2 here, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, still, of course, looking to finish this wave 5. Currently, inside this wave 5, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably also finishing as an ending diagonal or as an impulse in double 1, 2. I'm looking here potentially for the double 1, 2 because on the 1 hour chart, you can see that you might have even several 1, 2s. Now, again, this wave 4 has took the zone 1 here, which is not nice to see, but it still can be, of course, a possibility of maybe here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as leading diagonal 1, 2, another 1, 2, and then moving toward the upside, unless a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which I don't like it. It looks expanding diagonal, so preferably here that you are, of course, in double 1, 2s, still looking for this higher target in the blue zone. Basically, we're still bullish, of course. What you don't like to see is that the price moves downward here, again, as invalidation of bullish. Yeah, but basically, I would say that even with this one, like 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 and a 5, this final wave 5 can be honestly finished even in 5-wave structure here. So I don't know if I have to call this like an ABC expanding flat in case of bearish scenario, that it might turns into running flat and then moving toward the upside. So we gotta be careful, because you took the high, guys, in 5 waves already, can be considered finished here already for the SPX as a wave 3 here potentially. Maybe this can be your wave 4 here, and unfolding something new as well for a final wave 5, which is very interesting in this case, if this happened. But I think that this is not the case. Of course, I think that we might still get higher inside the blue box, the upper one. So I'm still looking for it, of course, to finish over there. Here we go, all the wave 5. So by all means, a 1 2 here, 1 2, and wave 3 as diagonal. Of course, I was talking like 4 and a 5 can still be finished here. Yes, of course. So I'm gonna put also the diagonal symbol here to not forget this possibility. Here we go. There you go. So if this is finished, because it can be, again, I repeat, it can be finished, and then of course having kind of a diagonal here to finish all these wave 5s. So we're gonna keep the things in mind. However, I don't see yet bearish. This is the thing. Internally, if we take a look here, now of course it can be a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. It can be, of course, something deeper, but it also can be ABC here. Okay, so zigzag. Meaning you still, of course, in a potential correction, and you might still moving for higher, maybe here in double 1 2. Now if we dive deeper, so I would say if you want to make sure that we are broken here as bullish, this is exactly the confirmation for lower. Why? I'm gonna explain. Because of course here, if you are in a 1 2, well, you don't want to break this, because you have 1 2 1 2 and you want to continue for higher. If this is broken, okay, that's it, it's done, right? We're moving for a wave 4 potentially here in ending diagonal if that happens. Okay, if not, I'm still looking for very impulsive wave for a wave 5 here, and we're gonna see, of course, how this is gonna work, guys, step by step. That was it for Nasdaq and SPX. I'm still looking for both for higher. Just watch invalidations, and watch, of course, what it might happen in terms, of course, this wave 5. Is it impulsive or is gonna be diagonal? And this is how we can estimate, of course, the next price action. That was it for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.